Joining us with market analysis, Rich Nelson with Allendale. And Rich, we did see kind of some mixed trade in the grains today, and some of that looked to be kind of squaring ahead of the reports.
A really good point here, especially with this fact that we got first notice day for these July futures lined up tomorrow. A lot of people pointing out that these July contracts made some big moves while the new crops really didn't. They kind of settled back a little bit here. So USDA as well as weather are still two big issues right now.
So that USDA report, let's talk about acreage first. Anticipating maybe more corn acres, less soybean acres. Do you think the market was pricing that in already?
For the most part, we do. And these expectations are really not that large of a change. Average trade guess for corn, only 400,000 acres change. Soybeans, only 400,000 acres as well. And now we are a little high for most of the trade group. We expect a 1.4 million acre increase for soybeans. But as a whole, these acreage numbers are not that alarming here.
So I got to ask you, with the way the bull spreads have been working, especially in the corn market on Wednesday even, do you think that with as strong as the cash markets have been, that we could get a little bit of a surprise in the quarterly stocks report for either corn or beans?
At this point, for ourselves, at least for the stocks report that's lined up all the way through the end of May, we're not quite sure. But keep in mind, for corn, we might have one, if not 2 weeks of good export sales to discuss. That might give us a little short-term boost tomorrow morning. But for myself, at least on this one, I'm not expecting major surprises for us on quarterly stocks for corn or soybeans.
So Thursday is also end of the month, end of the quarter. You mentioned first notice day, so we can expect a lot of volatility.
Certainly right. And let's throw one more thing on top of that list. Heck, out tomorrow morning, and this is out before USDA's report. We have the National Weather Service updating the July-only weather forecast, and updated from the first update that came out on the 16th. So we've got actually a few things lined up tomorrow, which could give these markets something to talk about.
Do we have much weather premium in the markets yet?
That's a good question. According to my numbers, at least, we still have about half of the premium which wasn't involved on the corn side in the past month and a half. So there's still a bit more to take out there if we don't have a threatening July forecast. As far as soybeans, we do think that most of that premium has been taken out. Still some questions though about demand here these next few weeks.
Thanks so much, Rich Nelson with Allendale. Full analysis on agweb.com. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
To talk to Rich Nelson one-on-one, call 800-262-7538.